Dude. Dude. Bro.
What?
Bro.
What?
You want to hear who I made out with?
I don't want to hear.
I made out with a girl. I could tell you her name.
I don't care, dude.
It's awesome.
I believe you. I don't really care, man.
I could tell you.
Okay, I know you could tell me. I don't want to hear you.
I'm leaving then.
Okay, bye.
I'm going.
See you, man.
I could tell you. You could hear it from me.
Whatever.
You're gonna hear it sometime. I'm gonna go out the door. Bye.
See you.
I wrote it on a note. I slid the note under the door. Did you read the note?
Oh my God.
Answer the phone. Pick up the phone. Phil, it's me calling. It was Nicole.